Hey guys, here's another small block Mopar I have put together. This one here is a rebuilt 1970 340. This one's actually for sale. This one has Speed Pro forged pistons. The old part number is 2332P. It's got the OEM stroke crank. It's forged a factory crank, 331 stroke. It's been turned and polished. It's 1020. The cam is a Comp Cams 20-602-4. So basically, with that cam, it won't really make very much vacuum. So if you have power brakes, it might want to look into a vacuum canister. This one has a windage tray on it. It comes with the LD 340. I'm not sure what else to say. It sounds really good. I like the way those Comp Cams sound. I'll put the specs of this one in the description below. Let's start it up. Coldest day to do this, I think. Celsius, and that's idling at 800. And there's that 340 that's for sale.